Hey there, this is John Poltrock with the Poltrock Team at RE/MAX in Murphy. I'm here at Cobb Creek Cabins, one of the most incredible properties that I've ever had the pleasure of putting my feet on. I'm also with one of the most incredible women that I've ever met, Miss Veronica here. We want to share with you this wonderful property, and if you're in the market for something like this, I think you're going to be super excited by the time you get done watching this. If you're not, I think you should watch it through and through. It's a little longer than we hoped for, but there's a lot to share, and I truly think you'll get a blessing out of this. Miss Veronica, do you mind to share with them and give a little bit of history about the property and give them a tour?
It would be my absolute pleasure.
Perfect. Come on in.
Let's go. You have just walked into the original homestead, built in 1861. We're on the National Register of Historic Places. These logs were laid by a man named John Franklin Cobb and his wife Mary. Together they built this awesome cabin. You see all four walls, and then there's a lovely large loft upstairs. When they finished the cabin, John Franklin left Mary here and went off to Civil War. He was gone for 2 years, was injured, and then came back home and started a family, and it has been added on to now for the last 160 years. John Franklin Cobb's grandson used to come up here in the summer from Royston, Georgia, to help work the farm. His aunt that lived in a cabin on the back property that we call the Moose Lodge used to horse and buggy ride him into town as a boy to play baseball with the Murphy Maulers. He then became the first player inducted to the Baseball Hall of Fame. That is Tyrus R. Cobb, also known as the Georgia Peach. So this is his granddaddy's estate. In addition to the lovely Moose Lodge on the back property, between there and here is the original smokehouse structure, also built in 1861. It was dirt floor and flat roof, and it is now a peaked roof, one-room efficiency, and it is absolutely adorable. We also have 4 cabins down on the lower property right on the creek. The Fox and the Duck, which are 2-story, 1-bedroom. The Bear, which is a 2-bedroom, 1-story handicap friendly. And the big beautiful Bobcat cabin, which is 3 bedrooms, 1-story handicap friendly, and we built that one ourselves. We would love to show you the cabins. This is the original smokehouse structure. These logs also were laid in 1861. It was flat roof and dirt floor, and they used to smoke their meat in here. One room, but it has everything you could need. Compact, your living area, bathroom, vanity, sink, shower, queen-size bed. These adorable windows, which is actually where the beams went across the cabin. Adorable kitchen with everything just on a compact scale. And then this wonderful outside back deck. Surrounded by evergreens, so while you can see out and see everyone, no one can see you. So now we're coming over to the Moose Lodge cabin. We rebuilt the cabin and converted it into a 1-story. In doing so, we found Ty Cobb's aunt's original log cabin within. It was momentous and exciting to find the remnants of her cabin. So the Moose Lodge is very spacious, 1-bedroom, right up against the pond. It has the largest kitchen and largest living room. It also has a view of the juvenile boy alpacas, as well as the chicken yard where we share our fresh farm eggs courtesy of the Cobb Creek Cluckers. And the creek is flowing there in the distant. We started with less than 6 acres. We now have nearly 18, including 2 ponds stocked with fish, and both sides of Cobb Creek. So all of these lower cabins have the creek as your view out the back door. This is our 2-bedroom, 1-story, handicap-friendly bear cabin, which is right alongside the bridge that we've put in, 48 feet long, 8.5 feet wide. This is the beautiful 3-bedroom, handicap-friendly bobcat cabin. We built this one ourselves from scratch, no kit. I'd love to show you inside. This is a beautiful bobcat cabin. 3-bedroom, 1-story, handicap-friendly. This is the master bedroom. They all have queens. This is just a little bit bigger. Handicap-friendly bathroom with a larger shower, grab bar, raised commode, and raised vanity. Wonderful kitchen with a view of Cobb Creek. In addition, we raise alpaca. They're award-winning critters, super friendly, and I would love to introduce you to them as well. These are the big boy alpacas. So these are our breeding males and our most regal, extremely handsome llama, Cosmo, who is their guardian and companion. Hi, boys. This is Jojo. He's the head of public relations. He's very famous. This is Thunder to your left, Bronze Dawn. Then this center barn here is where we do our shearing. These boys are teenagers. They're troublemakers. This is ripcord and slingshot and laser focus. And these are their clucker friends. Gobble, gobble, gobble! You know what they say, the rooster crows, but it's the hen that delivers.